Hi, my name is Dhaval and she is my mother, Meenakshi Ben Ashokbhai Brampad. So she had been going through with some her urinal infection and some problems. So in we had looking for a good doctor and we just
Swati.
searched in the Google and we found in the Apollo Hospital Dr. Swati Shah. So we just concerned her about her some whatever she's going with her, like she has a blister in her part and we are concerned about that and she just started her treatment and everything. Then she had like wonderful over here, they have a service like they had a robotic treatment service with the surgeries and all thing. So we recommend that and she recommended us to do with these things and we started, like we trust her and she did a wonderful job. She treated us as a family and the whole over the staff persons. They are really kind and nice. I'm not over here. My parents were here, like my father, and they take care for everything. And we are really appreciate and I'm so thankful to Dr. Swati and I appreciate and it means a lot to me. She's a god for us. Thank you.